Let us build the matoke. Welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas. As you know, last year we traveled to eastern Uganda and we went to Mbale, the land of Abamasava, and we looked at their staple food, which is Kamalia. Where I come from, we call it malewa, but these people call it Kamalia. I hope you're learning something again new from this video. So we went through the process, how it is grown, where it grows from, and the lady in that video was trying to be innovative. To see how this malewa can be grown. So today I didn't show you how it is cooked in that video because it was so long, and I wanted you to see where it comes from, how it is prepared, and how it reaches the market. So today we are back. I had to travel from Kampala back to Mbale, and if I watch Chalo Busano. By this day, I'm asking someone behind the camera what is the name of this place. It's called Busano Mbale district. Well, yeah. So we met one of the ladies in this place, in this district. So she's going to take us through the process, how it is prepared, and what you really need to come up with a delicious Kamalia. So keep watching along this video. I know we are going to face out of language barrier because we speak different language, but we are going to see how we're going to come up with this. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. I made a simple travel into this place. They have the gardens are so, as you can see them, they are so productive. They are farmers, they are cash crop growers, they do, is it food crop growers? So let us get into the video and see what we can do for today. All right, I'm going to be behind the camera because we don't want to miss anything into this video. So let's go. What a mama was trying to say is you go into the market and you buy this Kamalia, the bamboo shoot. The other tribes, I know you're going to call it malewa, but here they call it Kamalia. You buy it from the market because it is preserved and it is so hard. So you need to soak it into water, and after you cook it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes, we are going to see what happens. By the way, this is not the banana fibers, because some of you are calling it banana fibers, and even those who watched that recent video are still calling it banana fibers. We are going to find out how it tastes in this video. Don't go anywhere, please keep watching. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe to Eating the African Way, be part of this family. We are always welcoming newcomers into this family.
Brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
Please share these videos to anyone who would want to get this information, because we are here to learn from each other and also to visit other tribes and other cultures to see what they have in Uganda. When we are done with Uganda, we'll be out of here and we see what they have in other parts of the world. Thank you so much for watching. I think he's camera shy somehow, and also he's taking things so faster. By the time I blink, and then the thing is just done. So if we miss out something, please bear with us.
So much to talk about Africa. Talk about game reserves, national parks, waterfalls.
So after 30 minutes, it is got off from the fire, and then a second preparation, which is when they cut the wanted parts from the Kamalia. Because as you said, sugarcane, there are parts you eat and parts you don't eat. So it is the same with the bamboo shoots. Those who eat the bamboo shoots, when we talk about the Chinese, I don't know about other African cultures. I don't know if there are other African cultures who eat bamboo shoots. But I only know these the Abamasava people, are only people in Africa that do that. But if you're watching this video and you are among those people who eat the bamboo shoots, please let us know in the comment section, because I also want to learn if there is that tribe outside there apart from the Chinese, or apart from Asian countries. Yeah. But the ladies are cleaning off the unwanted parts from our today's food. Actually, this was their traditional food. I don't know what happened, but I read somewhere and it was their traditional food. If I'm wrong, I'll be corrected if I'm wrong. But if you're watching this video and you have more information about this, please share with us in the comment section. We'll be so grateful to hear from you. It is still their traditional food, not it was, but it is still their traditional food. So you can tell us what is your traditional food whenever you're watching us from. Where I come from, Matoke, I always share with you our traditional food, which is Matoke. When you go to northern Uganda, they have so many tribes, and each tribe, they have their traditional food that differentiate them from others. Some of the things that create a difference between us are, apart from language, dance, music, the way we dress, we need to talk about food. Food does a very big role in our society and to create a difference between us. So let us go to the next step, because the lady is so fast. I don't know what is now going on, but let us go and see what is happening. So the lady is done with the cleaning of the unwanted parts from our Kamalia, our today's food, traditional food from eastern Uganda, from the land of Masava. So the next stage is, I think we are going to cook and see how this comes out. Also, we are going to look at the food they eat along with this, with their staple sauce, staple food. Because you know, Ugandans, we don't eat food alone. We don't eat dry food. You always have to have sauce on that food. All right, let's go. Those who are watching this video and you have ever tasted Kamalia, share with us your experience, how they taste. How do they taste? And share your thoughts in the comment section, because we are here to learn from each other. So what you see in the bottle is actually called black salt. Hope that is the right name, Chisula. Yeah, it's going to be added into the Kamalia. Now those who watched the recent video, I know you have all the information, but if you missed it, I'm going to drop that video in the description box. You can watch that video and get more information about this food. But thank you so much for watching. Black salt fastens up the cooking process, makes it soft. I think that is its use into the cooking process. Alright, so after the cleaning process and all what you have seen, we are going to cook them for 1 hour. Now, there are also other stuff which are going to be added into our Kamalia. Please don't go anywhere. Keep watching as you learn something new from a different culture. This culture is also part of Uganda in East Africa. The sun is too much. I'm so tired, but we need to get this done. Don't go anywhere, please. Also, salt is added. I don't know why they're adding salt, because we added in black salt, but I don't know. So don't ask me in the comment section why she added black salt and also our normal salt. I also don't know. But that's how they do their cooking. At this stage, groundnuts is added in. Remember, I have to wait for 1 hour until this is ready. The Kamalia is ready to be eaten. So time to get our food ready. As we are doing this, the Kamalia, our sauce for today, is getting ready. Our groundnuts was added in, and that is going to take an hour. So I know by the time our Matoke is ready, our sauce is also going to go to get ready. All right, let us peel the Matoke, and I want these ones which are straight. They are easy to be peeled. Let us go to the next stage and see how our food is going to come up. This is some of the reason why most of you don't want to peel Matoke, because of the sap. After, you need to clean the sap off. And if you don't have cooking oil, then it comes more harder. But regardless, we'll move. We have to eat by any means. So our Kamalia is ready, as you can see. I can't wait to taste this. I can't wait. So what you see up there is part of Mount Elgon. I said part of Mount Elgon. So in case you're asking where I am right now. You have been watching how we prepare our Ugandan food, and you know how we do our base, the base which goes first into the saucepan. So most times I feel like I should not explain more about how Ugandans prepare their food, but for the newcomers, this is how Matoke is prepared. There is always a base which goes first into the saucepan, then water is added in, and then the banana leaves come in. I told you this lady is taking me so fast, so I'll bear with what is happening. Other Matoke I've been watching, they have been wrapped into banana leaves, tied with banana fibers, and later mashed. So let us see how this is going to come up. This is sort of different from my culture, from my side.
I'm proud of Africa.
In the background it is part of Mountain Elgon. You must be there asking yourself where we shoot this video from. We are in eastern Uganda, Mbale district, Elgon region. Is it Elgon region? Elgon sub-region. That's why you can see part of Elgon in the background. So I think we're going to give our food 30 minutes mostly, because Matoke doesn't take much time to get ready. So we're going to give it 30 minutes and we dive into our dish. This is always my favorite part, the last part. I wish we can always skip to the last part, but we have to go through the struggle. So we call this empogola in my language, empogola. So we're going to have this as our lunch.
Mwazuka Bwanji. habari. Koizeo mulembe. Sani bonani. Sanu. Aslema. Bonjour. Mbotenayo.
The spirit of Africa is within us.
We came this side in a dry season, but these people at this home, they always get that beautiful sound from the water which flows from Mountain Elgon. I hope you can hear that sound. Just not there's little water from the mountain right now, but again the sound is so beautiful. I think it is a sleeping pill to them. I know some of you sleep on those sounds, the beautiful sounds, wind sounds, the water sounds, or any kind of sound that makes you get a better sleep. So imagine how these people live. It's a beautiful place to be. But this is malewa. I need to taste it before I eat any food. This is my second time eating Kamalia. Now, when we were growing up, we used to hear stories that malewa is like meat. Malewa is put in groundnuts and then it comes out like meat. But it doesn't come out like meat, because this is something which grows, it's a plant. It's a plant, so its taste it has that mushroom taste. That's that. This is the fibers are hard. Its fibers are hard, but the taste is, I'm getting that mushroom taste. Those who are watching this video and you are from this side, you can tell us how it tastes like. So after watching this video, the second one is also going to be in this home, because we did 2 videos on the same day at the same time. But let me pose this question. Those in diaspora, those in diaspora, what kind of stories do you tell to those people? I can imagine if I was a Mugisu, or if I was from Masava land, I would love people outside Uganda to know about my food, to know about my culture, to know about where I come from. I think we have a lot to tell to the world. I think we have a lot of stories to tell to the world. So my cameraman is getting phone call and people are calling him to go back. I think we need to end here and we call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if this is your first time. Follow. Okay, subscribe is follow. Like the video. Also invite other people to come to this channel. Share the videos out. Also share the stories you have learned from these videos. And also request for any video you want to watch next on Eating the African Way. I think we can stop here and wait for what happens next. Bye bye.